And those who also they wanted to shift their precious metal from one country to another to have better terms and conditions. Here, storing your precious metal is tax-free. So also this is a massive big advantage for international traders to also bring their gold and silver to our part of the world. The Precious Insights. This is our first episode. Myself, Yahya Mkhallati from GVS, and my colleague, Dana.
Hello, this is the Precious Insights podcast by JVS. I'm Dana, and I'm going to be asking Yahya all of your questions regarding precious metal investments. So stay with us and don't forget to mention under the video in the comments box all of your questions so we can make sure to answer all of them next time.
GVS Podcast.
So, Yahya, let's kickstart with JVS. Who's JVS and what do you provide specifically for precious metal investors?
Yeah, basically, Dana, we're really excited about first this podcast, and as GVS, this is a milestone for the company to be operating from the Middle East and GCC from Dubai. GVS, they have more than 2 decades in the industry. They are physical trading of gold and silver and also rare metal. Their operation over 19 offices all over the world. Also, they operate through other companies for safety and lockers and vaults in free zones. They have a lot of services and operation all over the world, and they're very credible for their quality of service and products they deliver in precious metal.
So how long have you been in the market, and do you see potential here in the GCC area?
Yeah, in the Gulf, in the GCC, in the Middle East, it's over now 3 years operation, and we're covering the whole region from United Arab Emirates, and in Europe they have more than 19 offices, and they've been in the market over 25 years. The potential in our part of the world is massive because culturally we are very much people who love precious metal, especially gold and silver. And we have historically, culturally preserved gold and silver as inheritance. Mm-hmm. So as you know, in our culture, when they want to give inheritance something precious, they give them gold and silver for their kids, or when they get married, or when they want to move forward in their investments. Okay. So culturally, this has been our tradition, and GVS will play a big role securing the quantity, the quality of gold and silver. Our culture, this part of the world, would like to invest in.
What makes a GCC resident or a citizen want to purchase their precious metals from this company specifically?
That's a very good question, actually. Believe it or not, so far, people, when they contact us or visit us, the first question they ask, is it really I'm gonna collect the silver and gold physically? Mm-hmm. And we say yes, because they're used to buy gold and silver from retail store, especially when you're talking about the trading of the items we have, which is basically silver bars, mm-hmm. silver gold bars, or coins in big quantities, small quantities. They're used to buy it from retail store. Now they have a dedicated company that they can trade it, buy online and collect it physically. The question is, it like really I can come to your office and collect it? Yes, you can, and you can store it. You can sell it back to us. You can trade in it. We do all the service for you, and at a very competitive price based on the spot price. We sell according to the spot price plus a small percentage, whether on gold, on silver. We compete not only locally, regionally, but internationally once coming to services and pricing. And we have the quantity, and this is something now the market is very keen on. People are asking a lot about ounces, silver or gold, and they're finding it difficult to buy. That said, we are not a retail store. We are a trading store just for bars and coins. We're not a jewelry store. A jewelry store, their business model based on the artistic, value of the item, not about the actual value of the gold or the silver. So it's a different business model. And now everyone is investing in gold and silver. So we became like the place to come and invest in. How we are different from other players. In this part of the world, we're considered the pioneer now. What we offer is unique from services, from trading. We do have kind of competitors, but they are not direct competitors. We venture in this market because we believe in it. We know the potential of it, and we're very happy to see people are happy that they actually now they have their investment, their trading is physical. They own it. It's flexible to sell it again, and in crisis, it's a safe haven.
And I hear that you also provide a solution or a peace of mind for any investor that is worried about where to store the precious metals that they've purchased so they can make sure that their investments are safe. Can you elaborate a bit on this service that you provide?
GCC is a safe place. So if you're buying a couple of bars or a couple of, it's safe to keep it home. But those who are trading like on a weekly basis, daily basis, or monthly basis, or on big quantities, we have the option of storage, basically. And this storage will become basically like a flexible, store for your precious metal. So you can buy directly, pay for it, and store it directly without physically doing that. And you can sell also through your storage and collect the funds, transfer to your bank account or collected cash from our offices without physically bringing the items in and out every time. So that's a big service for traders. And if the trader felt, no, I want my items physically, the next day they can come and collect it as well. So this is becoming a big service in our industry. And those who also they wanted to shift their precious metal from one country to another to have better terms and conditions, like for example in the GCC for storage are different from Europe and the States or other places where they have taxes and VAT and other things. Here storing your precious metal is tax-free. So also this is a massive big advantage for international traders to also bring their gold and silver to our part of the world. And GVS is there to help them.
Talking about the buying and selling, now of course everybody wants to buy silver specifically, but also gold. But let's say the market hits a place when people want to sell their silver or their precious metals. Do you also buy from them, and would that be close to the spot price, or is there a big discrepancy?
We are traders. We as much as we sell, as much as we buy. So you can sell us, and we can sell as well. So we buy and sell, and all this we do it also through our portal, through our platform, or physically in our office. We have a trading platform where you can go select the items you like to buy, whether bars or coins, and do the transaction online and come collect physically from our office. And same if you want to sell it. If you have the items, you can go to your account online, say, I want to sell 2 bars, 3 bars, 1 kilo, whatever amount you have. Lock the price according to what we value the items you put for selling, and go the next day, whether collected cash or we transfer it to your bank account. So it's a very easy transfer and a transaction, and it makes life easy for all the traders.
My final question to you would be, how do you see the growth of JVS in this part of the world?
We see that the industry itself now is shifting. We see this shift, it's going to be a long-term shift. People mindset and understanding for precious metal now changed. It's the safe haven, it's the solid investment, it's where you have all the flexibility and authority on your investment. We see ourselves now as the one-stop shop for all the precious metal selling and buying. We're looking forward to service all this region through our services. I think the future is very promising, especially the GCC. This part of the world is a very business investment mindset for the world, and they want to be on the top of all investment. They want to be the leaders in attracting investors to this part of the world, and GVC will be one of the main players for bringing investors and traders and secure their investment for the future.
Of course, we hope so. I think as a final question before we end the first episode, maybe we can just manage expectations. What do you tell everybody that is watching us today?
GVS is going to be basically your guideline, your educational channel to learn on how to invest, when to invest, where to invest, how to secure your investment. And this will be a regular channel to guide you through the industry of the precious metal.
Perfect. So as you heard, guys, if you would like to invest safely without panicking about any changes that is happening in the market, then you can for sure follow us and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes.
Thank you, Dana.
Thanks.
GVS Podcast.